Thank you for joining this show. I'm Joseph, the host for this event.
We regard the two events as a good opportunity to introduce our latest products and technologies to the European market. Last year, we are supposed to attend the MCE in last March, but because of the COVID-19, the fair was postponed. And then at the end of last year, the ISH was also delayed. And both of the two fairs have been changed to digital version.
Okay, thank you very much for visiting us.
Okay, thank you everyone.
We prepared a lot for these two fairs. They can be concluded as three highlights. The first one is R290 heat pump. Last year, both of our engineers from the R&D department and also the sales manager from the sales department spent a lot of time on the units, and finally they work out our expected heat pump. The second one is a Livestream studio. Equipped with all necessary devices, we can have an online web session with our customers at any time. And in the future, we will install our heat pump in the showroom as its real application. The third one is 2 round tables and 3 web sessions. Since the pandemic, our sales managers are becoming anchors. It's a big challenge for them because it's quite different with talking to customers face to face. So they practice again and again.
Personally, I feel very happy to join in this show to be as a host and bring out our product to everyone. It's a very, very honor to be in part of this design of the product and everything behind the screen, and we hope you enjoyed our show.
Wow, it's very meaningful, especially for the ISH. PHNIX is the only heat pump company from China which are approved to attend this fair. We present the latest heat pump technology from China, and through the fairs we won Explorer, and we had the chance to present our competitive products to our existing customers and start business with our new customers from many countries.